Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences, Silver Bullet, and Richard here. Okay, we are still continuing with grade 8 Natural Sciences. And here we are having a question here. It says, name any 5 ways human negatively impact the environment. Yes, we are part of the ecosystem and we interact with all factors, biotic and abiotic, and we have a very big influence on both abiotic and biotic factors. But the question says, identify any 5 ways we impact the environment negatively. Okay, there are several. Actually, the list is endless. 1, deforestation. We clear the land. Sometimes we are wanting wood for firewood and whatever, or sometimes we want the land itself for cultivation and the other uses. Okay. Second one, we dispose our waste badly, and some of this waste is toxic, and it affects the environment negatively. Poaching of endangered animals is another way we impact the environment. Yeah, endangered animals means that their survival is on the line. And here we come and we start killing them. If we continue along that line, the chances are very high that there won't be any more. Okay, another one is using fossil fuel. Fossil fuel is mined from the ground. It is a part of the past. So we extract it, we use it for our own use, driving machinery, driving cars and what have you. Fossil fuel is implicated in causing global warming. So we infect the environment. Another part is industrialization. The industries we construct have a lot of hazardous materials. It takes out to the environment. We pollute water. So that's the list. This is long. So let me put them down for our own observation. Then comes this question. It says, name any 5 consequences of negative human impact on the environment. Yeah, previously we saw the impacts, the deforestation, the poaching, and what have you. Those are the impacts. Those are the things we do, which hurt the environment. But now this question says, what comes out of that hurt? What comes out of that damage we cause? Okay. What comes out of it sometimes is diseases, like cancers coming from the chemicals we dispose to the environment, flooding due to weather changes, and also obstruction of water flow, hurricanes, drought, or drought as some people call it, the situation when animals and plants are facing a challenge of survival due to lack of water. Famine, which is lack of food. We normally hear it across the globe. Soil erosion, the washing out of very important topsoil, which we would use for cultivation and other uses. So all those ones are the consequences which come out of our irresponsible handling of the environment. Let us put it down. So there we are. Yeah, that is the list of some of the consequences which emanate from our mismanagement of the environment. Yeah, then comes this question. It says, list any 4 ways of conservation of the environment. Okay. Yes. Okay, what is conservation? Remember we said we negatively impact the environment, and as a result, consequences come up like diseases and drought and other and issues. Then comes this one, says any 4 ways of conservation of environment. How can we replenish the environment? Or what can we do to protect it from destruction? So several things can be done. One, by not overusing material from the environment. That one can be done through recycling. If we recycle, it means that industries which are manufacturing material will produce less. That means that the fossil fuels and the carbon dioxide which is emitted from the use of the electricity in the industry will be cut down. Okay, another way of conserving is by planting trees. From our study, we saw that trees are very good base for absorption of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is implicated in many of our global issues. It raises the general temperature of the environment, which we call global warming, and it affects the survival of organisms. So when we plant trees, the tree serves to absorb the carbon dioxide from atmosphere. And so it's one way of conserving the environment. Okay. Then another way is to reduce electricity usage. Yeah, because electricity is coming from combustion of coal, and combustion of coal comes with release of carbon dioxide, which is an implicated greenhouse gas, which causes global warming. So, and so on and so forth. Let us put this down. So that is that, and several others. And with that, we would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. We believe you will not regret. We are simply the best. Bye-bye.